Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, March 18, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, March 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ng lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 18, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ng lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'Iyogan later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, March 18, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for March 18, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, March 18, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.